Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video. I'm Alex Tim, and this is one of the Garmin how-to series videos. Thanks for watching, let's jump in. So this is my old LVS32 transducer. As you can see, right here is the cable strain relief attachment. So right now, this is a hard plastic piece that doesn't move very well. And you can see what's happening is the cable itself is cracking around that strain relief part. On the new one, everything else on it is exactly the same, other than this part. You can see just from the weight of the cable, it's already moving around a little bit. This is a much better design for the cable strain relief that actually allows the cable to flex, and it will slowly slow it down, so hopefully we don't have any cracking with this new design. So here you can see a side-by-side comparison, the old one on the right and the new one on the left. So if you currently have some cracking on your cable and you want to see if you can get a replacement unit from Garmin, this is the way that I did it, and you can try to go through the same process and see if Garmin will get you a new one as well. Go to Garmin.com, log into your account. On the products page, what you're going to see is your Panoptix Livescope system. If the date shown is within 1 year of today, you should be able to get covered under Garmin's warranty based off of the conversation that I had with a Garmin product support representative. The next step to do in that case is to call Garmin. You can call the number that I have on the screen. I also have it down in the description below. And when you call, you're going to want to talk to a product support specialist. You're going to let them know that you have a Garmin Livescope unit. It is under warranty. You're having a cable issue where it's cracking, it's defective, and you'd like them to send you a replacement one. What they'll have you do is they will email you, they'll confirm your account information, they will email you and ask you to send them a picture of the problem, send them a couple different angles of it, and then I just sent them a screenshot with the serial number, the date added to my account, and that was all that they needed. From there, you have two options. One, you can do a direct exchange where you ship in your transducer, they receive it, and they'll ship a new one back to you. Or two, the route that I went, you put down a $600 deposit, they'll ship you a transducer, and then you can ship yours in once you've received the new one, and they'll refund you the $600 deposit. Once you've chosen an option, the representative will process the exchange on their end and send you an email to fill out the rest of the details. Another precaution that you can take if you'd like is buying a cable saver. It goes right over the top of the transducer to add extra rigidity and protection to the cable. I like the AnyGlide one. I like the aluminum versus the 3D printed or even the injection molded, but any of them will work for you if you want to go that route. I just figured I'd throw it in here for those of you that are interested in an extra safety net and or maybe can't get a replacement unit from Garmin. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. It helps me and the channel out quite a bit. And if you're looking for more information on the Garmin units, please check out my other videos as they're going to be helpful as well in how-to tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take it easy.